So this is the end product, guys. So, Jill in the kitchen, making breakfast on a Saturday morning. But I decided that, why not share with you people? So, it's a Saturday morning, guys. And I hope you guys having an early morning wake up and some good old time breakfast from wherever you are, from your traditional country or from your origin, your own authentic breakfast. So this morning I decided to do mackerel rundown, and this is my coconut milk and the fire getting ready to get to that level. So it just started boiling, and that's what it looks like. I did this coconut last night, left it in the fridge, blend it, left it in the fridge, and now here it is on the fire boiling. That's the first stage. Put a little scallion in there and a little garlic. Make it cook down in it. It's gonna be good. And over here, mackerel is cooking. I did soak from last night, so you soak your mackerel. I cut my mackerel, I don't break them. I cut them and I put it to soak. So this is what happened. It's soaking over here. Nice looking up there. Not soaking, guys, forgive me. I mean, I soaked it last night and now it's boiling. And see my lovely season, colorful season, I love color. And my mackerel over here cleaned and washed clean and, pick out the bone the most way I can. Not that easy, but look. Look at it, you can see it going down. Look at the rim here. Look here, you see it going down. I'll reach to that end yet. I mean, down. It's coming down. Yes, look at it. I'm so excited making this dish. So this is it, people. All going down. And look at the pasta. You don't want to make it too oily. Because for that reason, you would just use regular oil, right? So this is mackerel rundown. And you don't want it too oily, but look, to start making the oil. And this is the time you're going to add your seasoning, add your mackerel. So I'm coming back to do that. Okay, so here I add my tomato, my onion, a little cayenne and pepper, and some bell peppers over here. Alright. Okay, so here I add my tomato, my onion, a little cayenne and pepper, and some bell peppers over here. Alright. Here add some pimento berries. Cooking down my seasoning. You don't want to put the mackerel in too early because the mackerel already cooked and you don't want to cook it down. So this is it. Cooking down the seasoning. You could also cover the pot right now and just kind of steam down and go to cook it faster. I'm going to add like a tablespoon of vinegar to this. Alright. Like a tablespoon of vinegar to kind of cut down, and then we'll salt it into the mackerel and give it a nice flavor. Look at it. So at this point, you are the type who want to put a little all-purpose seasoning into this, or any, flavor it up. Because to me, it's already flavored. The mackerel has a lot of flavor in it because it's salt mackerel, like a nice flavor to it. And you add vinegar with all of your seasoning, you really don't need anything else. I like these really nice, but at the same time I like to pay not too much, because I always believe that simple is best. Anything simple, when you make it too complicated, it takes it out of where it's supposed to be. So keep it here and it look really beautiful. Look at it. At this point, I'm going to add the mackerel and let it simmer down in this for a little bit because they're seasoned. I don't like them too cooked out. I don't like my pepper and onion and all of that cooked out. So at this time, you can add your mackerel and maybe turn it on really low it simmer down into this exotic, I could find the word, sauce. This feels good and it smells really good. The place smells good. It smells like vinegar that comes out. It really smells good, and you know, people gonna enjoy it, and I know, because I'm really cooking this with love, and as I always do, but I'm really doing this. I haven't done it for a while, so I'm getting really excited. I'm gonna put mackerel in and I'll come up and show you what's going on. And look, it's coming down. It's really smelling really nice. And guys, this is what custard needs to look like. You should need to see that coconut like it curdle. That's what the custard is. It's not boiling out to all oil. Must have some oil, but because this is what coconut oil made from, it's from the coconut milk cooked down, boil, but you must still have that custardy look right there. So it's simmering down right now because I want to get the flavor into the mackerel, and it's really smell good in this place. So, you know, I want to make a shout out to people who I would really want to share some of this food with. Me cooking with Miss Brown, you know I would have a plate for you. Ricky Life 365, I hope I call it right. Teacher P, Red Hot. You guys, you know, there's a lot more I would love to serve this plate of food for. So big up in yourself, guys. I know you guys would be enjoying this food, but until the next time, maybe one day, you never know. All right, so big up yourself, guys, and big up yourself, all those wonderful supporters. You know, I'm cooking with love with all of you guys in mind. So be blessed. So one more time, guys, look, beautiful color, very colorful and nice. This is how it should be, because your eye first should get her, as your eye sees it, then you want to taste it. That's how you need to make it very attractive, that colorful, best way you can. And it's simple cooking, it's not all that difficult. It's just cook it with love, and it will always peaceful, and put that taste on anything and turn it into your own. But there's some other people, there's a lot of people who love to share this dish with. India's Stay Motivated girl, there's a plate for you too. A lot of people, but guess what, YouTube, I've been around for a little bit, so I'm trying to catch up with all of these people. Last night I was with these girls and boys, so I really want to share some with them. So guys, you know, if you are one of my subscribers and supporters, you know one plate will be for you, no doubt on that. So guys, this is it. And all the great cooks, much love, much success. And all the people who are not great cooks, but trying to do the best I can, big up on themselves, alright? This is it. Nice, beautiful mackerel rundown. Taking it, look at the custard, guys. That's what you need to look at, that custard. That custard, nice with roast breadfruit, green banana, dumpling. That's some of the food that this mackerel rundown was like. Brown cabbage, that's it. So this is the end product, guys. As I said, maybe I did say before, that I'm doing some breakfast batter this morning, and just decided to share this mackerel rundown with you guys. Guys, remember, you are all amazing. Remember to cook with love, stay healthy, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Catch you later.